Okay, then here's the dryer vent cover, so the mice can't get up in there. It's just a plastic one. I looked all over Amazon. I couldn't find any steel ones that were worthwhile. The only steel one was like 50 bucks. So I think this one will be good for here. I got 2 for 12 bucks. So 4 small screws. Yeah, I think it'll work. Good enough. Last house, they had mice get into their dryer, and they just closed it up on the outside. So that's why we were worried about it this time. Piece of cake. That dryer vent actually stuck out pretty far. I didn't think it was going to go over it, but you can see it's a close fit, but it went on. It's touching, but it didn't bend it. So one side I couldn't get tightened, it kept popping out, but it's good enough. It's not gonna go anywhere. Maybe drill some holes. Maybe drill some holes and put in some other screws here and on the bottom, you know, if you're worried about it popping off. But she's just renting here, so it's good enough for now. See ya. Bye.